Hey, welcome back to the Journey to True Wealth. As you can see, I'm sitting here in my office, just kind of thinking about tax season that's upon us. Ben Franklin famously said there's only two things that are certain in life, death and taxes. Wasn't that the truth? And in previous videos, you may recall that we talked about taxes are likely the largest expense you're going to have in retirement. Now, to help you reduce your tax bill for 2024, check out the handy guide in the link that's attached with this video. I think you'll find it useful, and there's probably a tip or two in there that you could use. But what about the income that you're going to need in retirement? Where's that going to come from? How will that be taxed? And really, there's three possible sources for retirement income. There's taxable sources, there's tax-free sources, and then there's tax-deferred sources. And what goes in each of those buckets? What goes in each of the legs of that three-legged stool? Well, tax-deferred assets are things like IRAs, 401ks. Every dollar you pull out is taxable. That can be painful. But what about taxable assets? Well, taxable assets are things like your stock account, your mutual fund account, joint accounts, trust accounts. Those have capital gains treatments. Much better, but still 15-20% tax isn't ideal. And what are tax-free sources? Well, these are often overlooked. Historically, the most popular was municipal bonds. Those are tax-free, but with municipalities having some difficulties, they're not quite as safe as they used to be, and yields are all over the place. Another source is life insurance policies. The cash value in a whole life policy or a universal life policy could be used as a source of tax-free income, but you got to be careful, and they can be expensive. Very individualized situations, we got to look at each one of those one-on-one. And a growing, more popular source for tax-free income is a Roth IRA or a Roth 401k. We think these are significantly underused. All too often, people are looking at short-term gratification of a current year tax deferral and foregoing the benefit later and getting something tax-free. We think it's time you should start taking a look at these. It's probably time to talk about this with your own advisor. If you'd like to sit down with us and learn more about how you can have a balanced three-legged stool of income in your retirement, click the link above. We'd love to talk with you. And good luck in this tax season.